This session is in continuity to our previous discussions on charting in Excel, and in this session we are going to learn about varied options associated with chart layouts in Excel. Now from our previous discussions we have seen that whenever we want to create up a chart in Excel, all we need to do is select the data on which we want to build up the chart, go to the insert tab over here and then select create the requisite chart. Now I have a sample chart prepared already, and it is a line chart which has been built upon product A and product B's data, and we're going to explore the chart layout options in this, which can be accessed if you click on this chart. And this chart tools green tab comes over here, and you need to go onto the layout tab in this, and you are presented with this whole host of options. The number one thing which we're going to discuss in this session is what is this drop box when we go to the layouts tab. What is the function of this drop box in the layouts tab? Now when we click on this drop box, we are presented with different choices that needs to be done. The foremost of them is the chart area, obviously, the horizontal axis, the legend, plot area, vertical axis major grid lines, and two series A and series B. Now, all of the other options besides the two series ones, we're going to discuss in the next sessions. But right now, it is worthwhile to understand why do we only have two series in this. We have two series because each series represents individual product of the data which we have built upon. So in this case, since we have used only two products in this, product A and product B, so that is the reason it is showing to us that we only have two series in our chart, that is series A and series B. And it is important to know uh, uh, why we select, what would happen if we were to select any of the values over here. So if I go and select the legend part of the drop box, you can see since it mentions that legend would be my current selection, so my current selection in the chart would become my legend, and all of the options that would come from the format selection or this button reset to match style would be applied to this legend only. Now if I were to go ahead and select a different thing over here, say vertical axis major grid lines, you can see now there are these two globules around the vertical axis major grid lines. So all of these options, format selection and reset to match style, would correspond only to the vertical axis major grid lines. So this is all about the Dropbox options in chart layout options in Excel. Thank you for watching.